get weak whenever you're around. I let my walls down, lay my weapons on the floor.
I couldn't imagine being prouder than I am of the amazing young woman that Mary Jordan is. She's kind, she's thoughtful, she's loving. I mean, what's not to like? I'm also very proud of her work ethic and the confident young woman she has become.
Lead all of heaven and her joy to see.
Oh,
My
wow.
heart trembles at the sound.
Look amazing, baby.
Even if the world that we built falls at our feet, we used to ride where we're supposed to be, together through ups and the downs, dungeons and ivory.
I admire most about you, buddy, and I have since the first time I met you, is the way you look at Mary Jordan.
But as long as we keep every promise we make, we'll stay whole.
Hi, babe.
I don't want to make up on you.
You look great.
Thank you.
Heavy days, but in every mistake, there's a lesson to learn, so stay here.
I'm gonna try not to cry.
You can cry.
Sweet symphony that all of heaven and earth join to sing. My heart trembles at the sound. Even if the world.
I'm just telling you, as a dad, there's nothing more important or special or touching to see somebody look at your daughter the way he looks at Mary Jordan and the way he treats her. We're here at the Wilkes.
Even in the valley, baby.
When the river's too deep,
Let me be your comfort, darling. Wherever this road leads.
I remember vividly knocking on MJ's door for that first date. When I opened it, from the other side, I had two initial thoughts. First, wow, my God. Standing in the doorway was the most beautiful girl I'd ever seen in my entire life. Second, thank you, Barry and Elle.
some may have their riches.
Not long after that first date, I was totally smitten. I knew there was no one I would spend the rest of my life with other than Mary Jordan.
As long as I have you, I treasure each and every day. Just take
So to Mary
me
Jordan,
by the hand,
I promise to work hard at our relationship each and every day, and to love you more each day than I did the last. I'm so grateful to be here with you. I'm so excited to marry you, and I look forward to a lifetime of joy and happiness and facing whatever else may come together.
all the joy of my life.
So here's to looking at you like every day is that first date.
Did I tell you, baby, you are the joy of my life.
And I thought of that last night when I heard the story of you finally going to knock on her door and what that finally meant. And love has continued to knock on your door, to knock on your hearts. And you will continue to grow in that love that you have for each other. And these words will mean more to you in a month, more to you in a year, more to you in 50 years than they do now, because you will understand the depth of this adult love that you are entering into. You may kiss the bride. Friends and family, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Samuel Wilkes Murray.
To the new Mr. and Mrs. Wilkes Murray.
Need I remind you I'm yours? Need I remind you we've been here before? Put it all on me, take it out on me, whatever you need. Need I remind you I'm yours?